in your AI world, in your universe, marami bang mga professor or teachers ang nag-enroll or institutions which support the upskilling of the teachers or reskilling in terms of AI use?
Yeah, sa mga nakikita ko, each institution, of course the UP is a major institution, they already implement teacher upskilling. Pero isa sa mga linalabi ko rin is this should be a national effort.
Program.
Kasi kung pakikinggan mo lang anecdotally, ang daming nakaklamor na kailangan i-reskill natin yung mga BPO workers, yung mga students. How do you reskill kung wala namang magtuturo? And that's a major, I think, shortage, generally speaking. Some schools and institutions are ahead of the rest. Pero magandang i-incentivize yan ng government. That's what, government is for, no? Kasi optional pa siya at the moment. Kami kanya-kanyang college, kanya-kanyang course. Some colleges are also ahead of others. But there are also, I would just have to say it, there are also some colleges that are behind or resistant. And then, susunod lang din yung faculty nila dun sa gusto ng institution.
Okay. So, yung mga issue rin po kasi yon even among communicators, no? So, I'm invited to speak before mga communication association, etc., etc. So, yan din po yung dilemma. Kasi, halimbawa, kung hindi ka galing sa major networks and you have a lot of these production companies or mga, lalo na ngayon, digital companies, etc., they need the reskilling, di ba? Pero yung access to these resources and sino yung expert?
Correct.
Para ngayon kasi daling magsabing expert ako pagdating nga sa AI and sa technology.
Tsaka Ma'am Jing, hiwalay din natin. I'm sure sina Prof. Raz and Sir Paj will agree. Hiwalay natin yung need for specialists ng AI. Like the UP program in AI, pang specialist yan. Mga masters and PhD in artificial intelligence. And then yung general literacy. Those are two different things. Both are equally important. Pero sa akin, malaking benefit yung literacy. Parang STS, no? There's a subject called STS, which is a basic literacy course on technology. Parang STS for AI. Pero yun again, kanya-kanyang style yan eh. We need some form of national program para